On the Pfaff Ambition Essential sewing machine, do you know you have 29 needle positions? Now let me show you a little trick. When you're on a straight stitch, which is stitch 0 in the direct memory, you notice, or direct area, you will notice that it says 3.5 and there's a picture of a needle up above it. Now you'll notice that the stitch, or the little picture beside it, is like a little zigzag, indicating you're going to use the plus and minus zigzag here to change that particular setting. Now what you're hearing is actually the needle moving all the way to the side. Every one of those little beeps is a needle position. Now do you remember what we started at? We started at 3.5. This machine has a stitch width of 7 millimeters wide. So we just did all the increments from the center all the way to the far right, and then all the way back if we wanted to. We could sew, and we can sew while we move this, which I do like. So if you want to see all those different little increments, and then if we go all the way to the other side, to the far left, we are going to a far left position of 0. Now the needle is all the way over here while we're sewing. The other thing that you can do is, even if your needle is in the fabric, if you move the needle position indicator, the needle will not change until you take a stitch, and that's okay. So you're not moving your needle in the fabric, you're not damaging it. It will not activate until the needle actually comes up to the highest position. It will change to the new setting and be at the number you set it at. Once again, to get it back to normal, instead of going all the way here at till 3.5, if you want it back to the center, if you select stitch 0 again, it puts it back to all the default settings, including the needle position back at 3.5. And now you know why that number is 3.5, because it's half of 7 millimeters, which is the maximum width. So super easy. Love the needle position and the fact that there are so many needle positions on this machine.